Unearthing the magic of Chatgpt, the conversational genius. Sophisticated, intelligent, and intuitive, meet Chatgpt, the revolutionary AI chatbot that's reshaping how we communicate and interact digitally. With its impressive natural language understanding, Chatgpt offers seamless, human-like conversation, setting a new standard in AI communication. But Chatgpt isn't just a great conversationalist, it's a powerful tool. The recent OpenAI Dev Day event unveiled a groundbreaking feature, personalization. Now, anyone can customize Chatgpt to their individual needs. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, Chatgpt adapts to you. This advanced AI learns from your inputs, creating a unique experience that's tailored to your interests, preferences, and communication style. Upgrade your digital interactions with Chatgpt, the conversational genius. It's not just AI, it's your personal AI. We in #039 will explore the simplified steps to create your very own custom GPT with Chatgpt, putting the reins of AI innovation in your hands. Creating your own unique AI with Chatgpt, a step-by-step guide. In the digital world, the power to create is in your hands. Let's start with Chatgpt, a revolutionary AI tool. On opening the Chatgpt app, find the Create a GPT button. This is your first step toward creating your personalized AI model. Next, you'll design your AI. The interface allows you to input your desired traits and characteristics to mold the AI to your liking. You then proceed to embed your AI into your chosen platform. It could be a website, an app, or even a smartphone. After embedding, it's time for testing. Use this phase to interact with your AI. Check its responses, tweak its personality, until it's perfect. Lastly, deploy your AI to the world. Watch as your personalized Chatgpt AI interacts with users, providing a unique experience only you could have designed. Remember, creating with Chatgpt is about evolution. Keep experimenting, keep iterating, and above all, keep creating. For more details and information, go to my description.